My name is Komaljeet Kaur. My dual name Global Strategy and Sustainability. Topic Amazon.com. Introduction. Amazon.com is a tech and e-commerce giant which has a strong strategic position of the company. The external and internal analysis will be conducted for the company to understand industry situation. The recommendation for the CSR policies and global growth will be presented to CEO of company. Company background. Amazon was launched in 1995 as a bookstore by Jeff Bezos. With the increased scope of use of internet, the online buying habits among the customers, the most of customers like to online shopping buying. The company has also experimented with improvement in its business model and introduced good computing, customer electronics, and technological operations. There is high potential of growth for company in international market. The external analyze, pest analyze. The pest means political, economic, social, technological. Political means the government policy of each nation where is the company is operating influence the operation of business. The threat for business is the fines and duties imposed by government. Economic. Economic means the wealth disparity is the big threat for the online retail companies. The increased disposable income is positive sign for company. Social. The developed online buying habit are positive sign for the online retail industry. Continuous increment in consumerized is also opportunity for Amazon. Technological. The technological is both opportunity and threat for business. The companies like Amazon, Walmart, Flipkart, and eBay are facing threat of rapid obsolescence of the technology. Porter's five force analyze. The five force, the first is buyer's power. The impact of buyer's power is strong, then reason high access to detail and low switching cost. The second is supplier's power. The impact of supplier's power moderate and reason the moderate population of suppliers in market. The third is threat from competition. The impact of strong. The reason numerous competitors in market such as Walmart and Flipkart. Fourth is threat of substitutes. Impact is strong. Reason high availability of similar products in market. Fifth one, threat of new entrant. The impact is weak. High investment required and economics of scale. This is the reason. Internal analyze. Value chain analyze. There are two type of activities: primary activities and supporting activities. The primary activities, these include the services, inbound and outbound, logistic and operational activities. Supporting activity is include HRM activities, technological development and procurement activities. CSR analyze and sustainability. The Carlos paradigm has been utilized to understand the CSR analysis of Amazon. Philanthropic companies could do more and better for society. Ethical, the organization is focused on moral value. Legal company follows all regulations and compliance. Economic company generate high profits. Implications, use SWOT analyze. SWOT means strength, weakness, opportunities, threat. The strength, strong brand image, high investment in technological. Weakness, over dependency on distributors. Controversies related to tax evasions. Opportunity, potential growth in untapped market, increasing purchasing power of consumer. Threats, control of government on foreign business, high and increasing competition in market. Recommendations for global growth, there is need of high investment in latest technologies. Company needs to adopt low cost structure for international market. There is need for tapping the untouched market. The acquisitions mode of foreign entry will be the most suitable. Recommendation for CSR, company needs to work on its ethical responsibilities. The company needs to focus on its tax structure and reports to avoid any controversies. The organization should start donating for the welfare of society, as giving back is important for good brand image. Conclusion, the analysis of internal and external factor for Amazon was made. All the four responsibility in terms of CSR and sustainability were discussed. The opportunity and threat for potential growth of company were provided through SWOT analysis. The, in the end, the recommendation were provided. This is a reference. Thank you.